Climate change is progressing more and more every year. The effects are crucial and very damaging to our planet. Although we may have partaken in this change, we as a whole can reverse the damage if we take action now. According to the People's Magazine that was published of April of 2020, if we don't cut the greenhouse gas emissions in half by 2030, then we have failed to avoid an irresistible consequence of an overheated Earth that would destroy life as we know it. By knowing the problem and figuring out the problem's cause, we can react with the solution. Let's begin with how over 100,000 sea mammals die a year from pollution, according to the World Wildlife Fund, WWF. And many of these animals, such as whales, are effective in the air we breathe. How do they do it? Great question. These whales provide nutrients to the plankton of the sea. Without these things, then we as humans will be endangered as well as the sea creatures. For they isolate the carbon dioxide in the air to help us breathe, to help us have a cleaner air to breathe. Also, in 2015, the Sierra Nevada recorded the driest winter in 65 years. This is due to the lack of rain and the abnormally high temperatures, both signs of climate change. The majority of these problems are caused by humans' actions such as pollution, whaling, and use of fossil fuels, which all could be fixed if we as friends of the planet would come together and change our habits. We can do this by assembling more green energy sources such as wind, solar, and geothermal powers. When doing this, we provide cleaner air and atmosphere for our planet. Also stated in the People's Magazine is if we repair all the fisheries, then we could provide a seafood meal to over 1 billion people a day. Another way we could help change our planet is by disposing of your trash, such as these, and helping others do the same. A statement stated in the One Green Planet is that 6.4 million tons of trash enter the ocean a year, which a majority of the marine litter is entered the ocean by land. Please let us recycle what we can, such as bottles, plastic bottles, and pick up the trash that you find. There are many other ways we can adapt and change our habits, such as reducing food waste and adapting plant-rich diets, and also by stopping deforestation. In conclusion, in helping save our planet, let us open our hearts in knowing the problem and what causes a problem, and help making a stand and finding a solution and changing our mindsets and having a cleaner air and land to live in.